In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing photo mode on TikTok. So first, for iPhone users, open App Store, and for Android users, open Google Play Store and search for TikTok in the store. If you see update button next to TikTok, click on it and wait a couple of minutes for latest version to be installed on your device. After updating app, open TikTok and check if photo mode is now available. If updating app didn't fix the problem, launch TikTok app and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of screen. Tap on 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner and select settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on report problem. On the next page, expand account and profile option and tap on editing profile. You will see few options, but tap on other at the bottom of screen and scroll down and tap on need more help. Text box will open and here write message to TikTok support explaining that photo mode or photo swipe option is missing on your account. Here is an example. And after writing your message, submit to report. And TikTok support is usually responsive and should get back to you within a day or two.